Olá!
Bom dia!
And welcome to the River Beach Saudade Project!
Are you hiding in the shade? Oh, fofinho! Bom dia, everyone. Last week we started clearing the front of our house. Today I won't be showing you more of that because we've had a weather warning, and it's going to be the hottest day of the year so far. Carlos had to go to the dentist yesterday, so we had to go to Covilhã. Tagliatelle loves him. Yeah, we had to go to Covilhã so that Carlos could go to the dentist yesterday, and then we ended up not getting back until he was in there for ages. Didn't end up getting back into the late afternoon, so there's no chance we were getting any work done then. And then of course last night we stayed up and watched the Portugal game, which was the most wild game of the World Cup so far. So we didn't get up early to do some work. I'm afraid I won't be filming it this week. We'll try and do some random bits, probably a little bit tomorrow morning. But yeah, we're just taking the dogs. We just take them to the little shady spot there and back at the moment when it's the middle of the day, because it's too hot for them and I don't want them overheating. So instead of sitting around and doing nothing, we'll go and find a new swimming spot. And all of the people I do my Portuguese course with keep going on about this one that has a beautiful waterfall near Monsanto. What's it? Penha Garcia?
Penha Garcia.
Penha Garcia! That makes more sense. Yeah, pencil means to think. What am I on about? Right. Okay. I'm smashing verbs and words up in my brain at the moment. I'm like... But yeah, we're going to go find this swimming spot that everyone keeps telling me is really, really beautiful. Oh, Rui doesn't do very well in the heat, bless him.
Or ravioli.
He's the hairiest and the chunkiest of them. But now we take them on this walk. Usually when I take them on their midday little wee walk, they just pass out for about 4 hours afterwards. So by the time we get back, they should be about due. So yeah. Oh, let's make sure they get some water though before we leave. Come with us for an adventure, I guess. You ready for an adventure, Carlos?
Yay! I'm happy. Portugal won. That match. If you guys haven't seen that match, that is crazy. It's the best. Now, I'm biased, but it was the best match of the World Cup so far. That second half was something else, let me tell you.
Yeah. I'm not the biggest football watcher. I always watch the World Cup though, and that Portugal game was insane. Yeah. Wow. Do you think he was offside? Let us know down in the comments.
Oh, we're gonna start a war. To go down 100 meters. I don't know how the car's gonna get down.
That's what I'm worried about. I can't see my car getting up there.
Yeah, just park here. It's gonna be in the sun though.
Bon dear lads, we parked up the top because the road looks a bit steep. But I thought I'll just show you something. What is this? What is this? I don't trust my car getting up here. It's literally like so steep. What? Look at it. This is stunning. Oh, there's people like camping all around. Oh, cute. Wow. I'm actually shocked. Like, I don't know what to say. This is so beautiful. And apparently if we walk through the little gap over here, there's a waterfall. Adventure.
Adventure. Here's your Portugal.
I'm 100% going to need that.
Have you put sun cream on your shoulders?
No, do you want to quickly chuck some on?
I think we should.
It's factor 50 up, lads. Hello. It's so beautiful. Good thing we didn't drive here because there's no shade down here anyway.
We can go.
Oh, it's just a castle, just sitting there, as you do. Just a casual wee castle. Portugal is crazy. I think we're taking this little pathway. And somewhere down there should be a beautiful waterfall, allegedly.
Wait, which pathway? That over there?
Yeah, along the rocks.
Ah. Cool.
Stunning.
Sure.
Yeah. Why have I never been here? We've lived here 4 years. I'm so glad people recommended this place to us because it is so beautiful. They were right. Damn. I just said damn.
Look at this. Oh, look at these. Look at these bougainvilleas. No,
Hydrangeas.
look at these hydrangeas.
This place is wild. We're very lost. But look at this little cute little hole. There's little places to sit. The old little storage house. I'm guessing there was a mill or something down here originally. But we hear voices down here, so...
There's the red and yellow marks there, so there's
Where?
a wall.
Oh, there's people. Ah, yeah, okay. We're going the right way. Apparently there's loads of fossils in these rocks as well. I was reading online. Cute.
Casa dos fósseis. Fossil.
So I think you can park in the village as well. But I'm quite glad we've had this weird little walk. It's fun. Regret my shoe choice, but oh my goodness, it's like a little fairy tale.
This is surreal.
Yeah, we're not filming that much walking because it's like basically like a sheet of like earth has just gone like that, and so all the rocks like really jagged.
Yeah, they've
and
all been pushed up. It's crazy. This is vertically. These rocks are typically horizontal.
yeah, you can see it,
crazy.
like all the layers.
Yeah.
And that's like a fossil storage place. But yeah, this is what the pathway's like. So if you do come here, bring better shoes than we did.
Or you will die.
You won't die, but you may be a little bit flustered like I currently am. I hope this does justice.
It's down there, right?
Yeah, I'm just showing how like the rocks are sitting. So if you are in flip-flops, it's not exactly ideal.
This is it. Found it. Look at that.
Oh, mate. Wow. Beautiful.
It's the mad lad.
Right up there. This place is crazy. Look at this. Just some casual fossils. That's so cool. That's so weird. There's a big one over here as well. Yeah, I'm not looking forward to the walk back, but it does look like there's lots of little shady spots. Thank goodness. Oh. I have no idea.
Around there now.
How pink's my face? I'm swimming under that bridge. It's happening.
What's that?
I don't mean to alarm you. We've literally parked all the way up there.
That's fine. That's fine. It's not a problem.
Oh dear, everyone. I did just try and go in, but the water is so cold. I started to feel dizzy.
Yeah, this is the spring coming directly from the spring. I think in a couple of minutes we're going to go up into the dam and try
the water there. It's really beautiful to sit here just with a little picnic for sure. We've got some pineapple that Carlos cut, some crisps.
Pineapple.
Did you get the sliced cheese?
No.
You silly sausage.
I got crisps as well.
Oh, what about my protein?
You can have some when you get home, it'll be fine. Go on then. Go on then.
I can't.
It's alright. Está frio. Está frio.
Right, we're sitting with our feet in the water, but I think we are making a decision. If we want to get fully in the water, we have to go up the top because
This is too cold here, man.
even there's like 3 people in the water. One crazy kid keeps trying to chat to everyone. I don't know how they do it.
There is a golden rule in Portugal. If less than 10% of the people are in the water, it's cold. If it's more than 10%, it's warm. Alright lads, we've gone into the other part, which is on the dam. So we were over there, that's the dam. We were over there with the waterfall. We've driven around. Charlotte wants to go into the water, but it's a bit swampy, so she's put her slippers on.
Oh, I'm like sinking into it.
Yeah.
It's not gonna work.
Oh no. Sorry, Charlotte.
Oh, no.
All she wants to do is go for a swim in the water. Ah.
Yeah, already had one leech on me.
Yeah.
It's a bit muddy.
Oh well. I mean, if you had a kayak to go in the middle and then you could go in or something, you know.
Yeah, it's a bit swampy in there.
Yeah. Are you having a good time though?
It's so much more calm here, isn't it?
Yeah, it's so quiet and peaceful here, you know.
Yeah, it's beautiful. I just want to swim.
Well, the next time we can go to one of our local ones, yeah?
Yeah. Where's the best place?
Huh?
Penha, probably.
Yeah, Penha's the best one. Huh? Classic.
Maybe I'll just take myself tomorrow. Make up for it.
Yeah, I think you should, yeah.
Yeah, the other place was beautiful, but it was a bit noisy and the water was just so cold. Oh, he's braver than me. From Denmark. Thanks, Denmark.
Jeez.
Yeah,
Is that?
that's nice. Sometimes it just tastes like what's the water? Tonic water.
Ah, yeah.
But that actually, they've put something in it to make it actually taste like it's got that clean alcohol.
It's got, I think, rosemary, blood orange or rosemary.
Yeah, or grapefruit.
Grapefruit, yeah.
See, I love the idea of doing all that man-life stuff, but I won't be able to do it in a big one. You have a heart attack driving one of them.
Alright guys, we were supposed to leave 3/4 of an hour ago, but it's so peaceful here, it's so quiet.
So quiet.
You were just relaxing for once, it was really good. So
Yeah, we haven't done something like that in ages, I
true.
feel.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's alright, Charlotte's all knackered, she still has to drive back, bless her. And then we're gonna have some meet up with some friends maybe afterwards, so
yeah.
to walk
So
the dogs
tired.
and feed them and everything, but you know. Yeah, it's just life.
Alright, if you've got a list of your favourite river beaches, leave them down below. We want to find the best one. This place is beautiful, but the water, it didn't cut it, alright? I need fresh, but not stanky.
Yeah. Non-leachy water, please.
Non-leachy water, that's not absolutely freezing. That's the aim of the game.
It shouldn't be too hard in 38-degree weather, so.
Yeah, it's like they're saying it's just going to be like this constantly for a long while, so I don't think we're going to get a lot of work done over the next few weeks, but we will try and find some good swimming spots. But first I need to sleep.
Thank you so much for watching this week's video. Muito obrigado.